Good morning, students. Today we will study lesson 6 and introduction to Scratch programming. So, we will learn what is Scratch, how to program the in Scratch. So, in this chapter we will study about program and programming Scratch software basic command in Scratch. So in previous chapter we have studied about the stepwise thinking for solving a problem. A program is a step by step set of instructions that tell the computers to do various things. Means as we know, anything we have to do for any work or for the any assignment, we are thinking step by step, means part by part. We have to first, for doing anything, first we have to think properly, we have to plan. Okay, then after we can execute. Okay, so that is about the stepwise thinking. So already you have learned about this stepwise thinking. Now, before moving ahead with Scratch, let us understand some terms. So what are the terms? First term is your program. So what is program? Programs refers to the set of instructions given to a computer to perform a specific task. So what is program? It is a set of instruction given to computer to perform a specific task. It is a set of instruction, we are giving the command. It is the command given to the computer, instructions that for perform some specific task. That is your program. Okay, next, programmer who develops computer program. Who's programmer develop computer program or codes using any programming language to instruct computer what it has to do after creating its algorithm. So here the new word is algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but it is the set of rules, means the steps how to do the process. Okay, how the instructions will be proceed. So that is your algorithm. So who's programmer? Who develops the computer programs, who write the coding, who write the programs. That means that you can say in other way, programmers write the instructions, write the instruction for the program that can perform in a computer for a specific task. So programmer that develop the program. Next is programming. So what is programming? It is the process of creating a program or codes using software. Okay, so programming is the process of creating programs, okay, or codes using software. So means if you write the programs, how you will write? Means programmer, this programmer, if a programmer will write the program, so how you will write? They have to use the software, so which enables computer to understand programmer want it to do. Means first of all, programmer will write the program. So how he will write the program? So for writing the program, they need the programming. Okay, so it is the process for creating programs or using codes using software which enable computer understand what programmer want to do. So this is about program, programmer and programming. Now next we have to know, now we will study about the Scratch. So let's begin the Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language. So it is a programming language, means we can program. Programming means we can write, means we can be the programmer and we can do programs in this software. Scratch is a programming language. Scratch is a computer programming language that allows you to create interactive stories, games, animations. Okay, so it is a software which allows us to create interactive stories, games, animation. With Scratch software, you can create characters that dance, sing, and interact with one another. Means it is a very attractive way as you are playing the game, as you have seen the game. So many characters are there in your game, so many. So likewise, you can do also here. You can create your own games by using this Scratch. You can create image with wheels spin, animate with the response and movement of the mouse. So if you click the mouse, you will put the move your mouse, so it will be move, it will be turn, so spin, animate, so many things it will be done. So many sound effects will be, you can also add music clips, so birthday cards for friends, so many more things you can do with this. Okay, so it is a massive one, lots of thing, lots of fun is there. Okay, when you will use the scratch, it will be very interesting. Okay, it allow you to create computer programs, create a, creating by snapping together the graphical blocks together which look like puzzle pieces. Okay, so it computer program creatively by snapping together the graphical blocks together which look like puzzle pieces. Okay, so one more thing you should know, this scratch program was developed. So who developed this scratch program? Scratch is developed by the lifelong kindergarten. Okay, at MIT. It was developed at MIT. This scratch was developed at MIT. Okay, mass, its full form is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay, and this it was led by Michel Resnick. Okay, that man, that person who was the leading this work at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in year 2003. Okay, it was developed there, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and it was led by the Michel Resnick. Okay, so you just know about this scratch. Okay, now in this scratch, so one more thing you should know, fact bite like that, the name scratch come from the scratching technique used by hip hop disc jockey who spin vinyl record back forth their hands, mix music clip together in creative way. So in I think many of you have seen in the DJ, there is a like spinning the song is just like fumbling the sounds, making some different kinds of sound musics. So it is come from the scratch. Means scratch means you know the word scratching means just to like scratch something like that. Okay, so this is the scratch. Okay, now next is that scratching scratching software is starting scratch. Now since scratch is open source software which can be downloaded free of cost from this is your site name. From here you can download, the site name is scratch.mit. so this MIT, just I told that Massachusetts Institute of Technology .edu/scratch 2 download. So from this given link you can download the scratch. It is open source program and it is very, and it is free, you can download in your computer and you can use. And also you should know scratch, it is an offline program also and online also, you can download and do your work in your computer, and also you can do online work also. So after downloading, what are the steps you have to follow? That is, steps are that first of all you have to click on the start button, then all program, then you will get the scratch. So the same thing, you have to click here all programs, then you will find the scratch. Okay, so after installing this, you have to follow this process. Then after this window will open, this is the window of scratch. Okay, this is the scratch programming screen. So after installing, click on the start button, click on the all program, then find the scratch tool, and this is your scratch programming screen. Okay, or simply you can do by the double click on the icon on this scratch. So you can even open the scratch program by double clicking on the scratch shortcut present on the desktop. So this is the shortcut icon also, so simply you can double click on this also and you can open the your scratch program. Okay, now next is that scratch window element. Okay, scratch window element, every software program provide an interface through which user can interact and give command to perform a specific task. So every software, you know that program provide interface through which user can interact. So there is interface, so this is the interface actually, this is the interface, means from there we can interact, we can give the instruction, this is the interface. Okay, this is the first, this is the interface. Now the screen window is divided into palettes and pen. So this scratch window is divided into two parts, that is called palettes and pens. Okay, So now one by one we will know about this. So let's see here. So in this there is like menu bar. You can check that this is the menu bar is there. Here is the menu is written, menu bar. These are the tabs. There are 3 tabs are there. Okay, and you can see this is here you can check that this is your, this area is called script area. This area, this full area is called script area. You can understand from here. Yeah, this is your script area. Okay, these are the blocks. These are the blocks. This is called block palette. Okay, here is the tabs are there. Okay, now here is a menu bar. This is the stake pen. This place is called stake pen, where this is this cat. By default this picture is cat. Okay, and this is called sprite. This is called sprite. You should know, please remember this, the it is called sprite. This particular one, this image is called sprite, and by default it is cat. Okay, by default this image will be cat. Okay, and this place is called sprite pen. Means here you can add the different sprite also. Means you can change the sprite, other sprite you can choose, and that will be display here, which is called sprite pen. Okay, this is the block palette. There is the tab, this menu bar, and this is called script area. Okay, this is the script area, and this is the script stake pen, where this scratch will move. Whatever the block you will use, that block will be shown over here. Okay, so that you will see. Now next is, yeah, first of all, no, stake pen. So stake pen, this side is called stake pen, this side is called stake pen. Here you can see, just now we have seen this is the stake pen. Okay, so in this stake pen, so about this stake pen, this is the area in scratch where your sprite will appear. So here your sprite means that particular cat or any images that will be appear, and where you can see your sprite performing, means there that side sprite will perform, means that side will be work, how actually it is moving or how it is working. Sprite performing the task. When you run the program, it represents background of the project. The stake uses x and y coordinate. So in this stake they are using x and y coordinate. Actually x y coordinate is, this was like this. Okay, so this is called x coordinate, or this is called y coordinate. Okay, this is also y, but this is minus side, this is the minus x. So this is the x y coordinate. So in this coordinate it will be work, and begin with the 0. Begin with 0 means at this point is called 0 point, this point is called 0 point. Okay, that is the beginning point. The following buttons are available on the stake pen. So some buttons will be available on the stake pen. The first button, that is called stake button. This button you can see, this is the stake button. It helps you to toggle between default stake size and full screen mode. Means if you want to change the size, full screen size or the default size, so this by this button you can change the size of the screen, like this, as I am doing. This is the small now it will be increase. See, it is increased. So likewise you can do by this button. Okay, now green flag, it runs scratch program when it click, means like the play button. Like the play button, any song you want to play, you click on the play, it will start playing. So like this green flag, it run scratch program when it click. Okay, after clicking on this, the scratch program will start running. Okay, means that is program will start. This is the stop sign. It stop the scratch program, means you want to finish, your program is finished, you want to stop it, so you can use the stop sign. Okay, so this is for the stake, but these are the stake buttons. This is for to change the size. Okay, this is for the green flag to start, and this sign to the stop. Okay.